If you're a retiree looking for long-term security, you've probably already heard that precious metals like gold and silver can offer a safe haven for your wealth. But the question is, how do you actually use them to ensure your financial future? Stick with me through this video, and by the end, you'll not only understand how gold and silver can protect you, but also how to make them work for you. Now, you might have considered different ways to secure your wealth: stocks, bonds, real estate. But let's face it, many of these options are volatile, and when you're nearing retirement or already in it, you can't afford volatility. That's where gold and silver come in. Historically, these metals have been a store of value during times of uncertainty. They hold their worth when the dollar weakens, when inflation rises, or when the economy faces a downturn. So, how exactly do you use precious metals for long-term security? First, let's talk about owning physical gold and silver. Many people choose to buy gold coins, silver bars, or bullion. While this can be a good option, you need to keep in mind the practical side: storage and security. You can't just leave this wealth lying around, and finding a secure, insured place to store your metals can be costly. But there's another, often better option for retirees who want the benefits of gold and silver without the hassle of storage and security concerns: gold IRAs. A gold IRA is a retirement account that holds physical precious metals instead of traditional stocks or bonds. The beauty of a gold IRA is that it gives you all the benefits of gold and silver ownership, like protection against inflation and economic downturns, while also keeping your investment in a tax-advantaged account. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend checking out the free Gold IRA guide linked in the description below. Thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their assets, and in this guide, you'll learn exactly how you can open one and why it might be the perfect option for your retirement. Now, back to using precious metals for long-term security. Gold and silver don't just protect your wealth in bad times, they're also a smart way to diversify your portfolio. If all your investments are in stocks or bonds, you're putting your future at risk. But by adding gold and silver, you're spreading that risk. And as we all know, diversification is one of the keys to safe investing. But what about silver? While gold often gets the spotlight, silver is a powerful option too. It's more affordable, and when markets are uncertain, silver has the potential for significant gains. But if you're looking for the ultimate long-term security and stability, gold still remains the superior option. Now, you might be wondering, why not just buy gold or silver and hold them? Well, as we've covered, storage and security can become a headache. Plus, when you invest in gold and silver through a gold IRA, you don't have to worry about any of those complications. The metals are securely stored in a vault, and you can still take advantage of tax benefits. It's truly the most efficient way to include precious metals in your retirement plan. If you want to know why so many Americans are choosing gold IRAs to protect their wealth, and how you can do the same, make sure to click the link in the description for your free Gold IRA guide. Whether you have 100K or more in your IRA, or 401K, or even up to 5 and plus in savings, this guide will give you the roadmap you need to secure your financial future. Finally, let's talk about the most important aspect of using precious metals like gold and silver for long-term security: peace of mind. In a world where inflation, market volatility, and financial uncertainty are daily realities, gold and silver give you something tangible and stable to rely on. And when you combine these metals with a gold IRA, you're adding an extra layer of security for your retirement. So if you're ready to take action and secure your wealth for the long term, check out the link in the description for the free Gold IRA guide. This is especially perfect for retirees with 100K or more in their IRA or 401K, or anyone with 5 and plus in savings. Don't wait until it's too late. Start protecting your wealth now.